Namaste and welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we explored the very first hymn of the Rig Veda, Mandala 1, Sukta 1, which was dedicated to Agni, the divine fire, the priest of the Yajna and the messenger of the gods. We saw how the Vedic sages invoked Agni as the guiding force for knowledge, prosperity, and divine blessing. Today we continue this sacred journey with Rigveda Mandala 1 Sukta 2, a sukta that once again venerates Agni but delves deeper into his divine nature. This hymn, composed by Madhuchanda Rishi in Gayatri meter, further praises Agni's role in calling upon the Devatas, including Mitra, Varun, Indra, and others, making him the ultimate bridge between the earthly and the celestial realms. वायवा याहि दर्शते में सोमा अरंकृता तेषाम पाहि श्रुधि हवम. Vayu, Lord of grace and majesty, come, listen to our prayer and protect and promote these soms vitalized as nectar and adorned in beauty. Vaya ukte bhijarante twamacha jaritara sut soma aharvida. Vayu, Lord of life and majesty, the celebrants who know the time and season of yogic ecstasy, having distilled the soma nectar of life, sing songs of joy in praise of your glory. Vayu tav prapanchati dhena jigati dashute uruchi somapite. Vayu, breath of life and love, your voice of omniscience resounding across heaven and earth, overflows like the mother cow for the generous yogic soul and gives him a surfeit of som, drink of immortality. Indravayu ime suta upaprayobhiragatam Indavo vamushanti me. Indra, Lord of light, and Vayu, breath of life and energy. Distilled are these vital essences with joyous experiments of yajna. They manifest and glorify your divine light and power. Come and bless us. Vayavindrashcha chetatha sutana vajini vasu tav yatmupa dravata. Vayu and Indra, Lord's powers of breath and light, you vitalize and illuminate the objects of creation with strength, energy, and intelligence. Divinities of creation, come and inspire life and nature farther at the fastest. Vayavindrashcha sunvata ayatmupa nishkritam makshavitatha dhiya nara. Vayu and Indra, divine breath of life and divine light of intelligence, both divinities of nature, inspire the objects of creation with the sap of life. So do they invest the human being with spirit and intelligence, and thus accomplish their creative yajna of evolution. Mitram huve putadaksham varunam cha rishadasam dhyam gritachim sadhanta. I invoke with dedication Mitra, the sun, pure and generous and sanctifying, and Varun, pranic energy of nature, nourishing and immunizing, both divine agents of cosmic intelligence and natural powers of human evolution. Riten mitra varunavrita vridhavrita sprisha kratum brihantamashathe. By virtue of the divine law, Mitra and Varun, sun and pranic energy, both extend the operation of the natural law of cosmic evolution and inspire the human intelligence to reach unto divine realization. They both pervade and energize the mighty yajna of the expanding universe. Kavino Mitra Varuna tu Vijata Urukshaya Daksham Dadhate Apastma. Creative, illuminative, and inspiring, Mitra and Varun, sun and pranic energy, like the breath of life, are universally pervasive, and mighty potent, and both wield the divine power of versatile action. As we conclude this journey through Rigveda Mandala 1 Sukta 2, we reflect on the profound wisdom carried within these sacred verses. The verses remind us that Vedic tradition is timeless, carrying eternal truths that continue to guide seekers on their spiritual and intellectual path. Whether through rituals, meditation, or study, these hymns offer us a way to connect with the universal order. Thank you for being a part of this exploration of Vedic knowledge. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the Rig Veda and ancient wisdom. Until next time, may the sacred fire of knowledge keep illuminating your path. Om Agnaye Namah.